Namaskar, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well. I am also fine, thank you. Now I am taking stable class of standard 4. Today's topic is the world around us. Pratibha Devasinghe Patil was the first woman to have been elected the President of India. She was born on December 19, 1934 in Nodgaon village of Jalandhar district, Maharashtra. She assumed office as the 12th President of India on July 25, 2007. Varanasi is one of the oldest living city of India. Ghats in Varanasi are the holiest place of the city, situated along with the bank of holy river Ganga. There are around 85 ghats in the holiest city. The Great Wall of China stretches more than 10,000 kilometers in length. Rather than being one long continuous wall, it is made up of number of different sections. These sections are built over a long period of time from stone and other materials. At over 2,716 5 feet and more than 160 stories, Burj Khalifa hold the record of being the tallest building in the world. Reportedly, the hottest place on the earth, Mawsynram, received an average annual rainfall of 11,872 millimeters. Mawsynram is a small village in the Khassia Hills of Meghalaya state in northeastern India. Aryabhatta is the first satellite by the India. The satellite was launched in the Soviet Union by Russian-made rocket on April 19, 1975. Aryabhatta weighted 794 pounds, 360 kilometers. Abhinava Bindra became the first Indian to own an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games in the 10th meter air rifle event at the 2008 Beijing Olympic. Now I write down answer of some question. Who is the only woman President of India? Pratibha Devasinghe Patil. Was the first woman President of India. Which city is the oldest living city of India? Varanasi is one of the oldest living cities of India. Which is the tallest building in the world? Burj Khalifa is the tallest building. In the world. Which is the first satellite built by India? Aryabhatta is the first satellite. Built by India. Who won the first Olympic individual gold medal of India? Abhinava Bindra. Which is the longest structure ever built by humans? The Great Wall of China. Where is the wettest place on the earth? Mawsynram. No more today. Thank you. Namaskar.